Hi everyone! Yes, I'm back. Malu is back with a new haircut. Yes, guys. After work, I called the salon that I used to cut my hair, and I asked her because I want to cut my hair, and she said, "Yes, I have a time for you." Of course, she said. So after that, back to the short hair again, guys, because it's so warm here. It's so warm, guys. I have a thick hair, very thick hair, so that's why when it's summer, I have to cut my hair. Last year, every summer I almost cut my hair because it's so warm. Yes, and I love short hair, guys. It suits me very well. So yes, guys, this is my Monday. New haircut, new Marilu. My God, so beautiful. I like it. Yes, guys. So hi, bunch. You see my new haircut? So beautiful. Iya, look, mommy. So beautiful haircut, guys. So yes, this is my Monday. A new hair. I feel so fresh and I feel light. Pag maiksi po buhok nyo, nakakagaan. And it it less shampoo and it less it less work when you are short hair. So yes, everyone, now I'm going to drive home because I'm away from home almost. I work 3 hours today, so after 3 hours, so I look around in the mall because I'm waiting for my time for the salon. And of course, I've said before, I'm not going to buy something, but look, always something. It is not good, guys. So that's why not good when I'm in the out in the shopping mall. So guys, yes, and tomorrow I'm going to work again in a shopping mall because we're going, the other person that I'm going to accompany tomorrow, she want to it's a coincidence because she want to buy some present too tomorrow, and she need a help too. So I'm going to help her too tomorrow, guys, in a shopping centrum tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm going to the shopping centrum again. My God, I'm going to left my wallet in the house. It's not good, my God. So guys, yes, I'm going to drive home now. So hope all of you are doing okay, guys. Your Monday, hope all of you have a good Monday. I don't know what time at your place, but no matter what time, what time at your place, guys. Hi, hello to all of you. Enjoy your evening, afternoon, morning, or night. So yes, guys. So enjoy, and God bless, and of course be happy, keep positive, guys, and enjoy life no matter what. And don't forget to visit my website www.marilumarshals. It's a blessing from the online world, guys. So check it out because you worth it. If you want to have a good online business, trustworthy and legit, guys, so check it out, guys, because you worth it. So bye for now, guys, because I'm going to drive home now. Bye, see you tomorrow. Bye.